Welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating this lovely everyday look here. I know it's pretty basic for me, but I had to add in my little glitter. So I had got this in my Ipsy box. This is the Complex Culture palette. This is, I'm trying to see which one it is, but anyways, it is a palette full of neutral colors, which is not usually my go-to, but it is today. And it will be the first time I'm using it. It's not a first impressions video per se, but it is that, and I will give you my thoughts on that palette at the end of the video, as well as their lip product, because I have never used this either. I've heard that this is supposed to be like a brand that is exclusive Ipsy. I'm not really sure on that, so don't take my word for gold there. But that is why I am theming this as an everyday look, so I can try this palette out. Anyways, if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing we are going to do is prime the face and the eyelids. So for face primer, I am using this one right here. This is Runway Ready by Mana. I think that's how you say it. And then for eye primer, I am using the Primer Potion by Urban Decay. Okay, so for concealer, I have ColourPop Pretty Fresh. This is Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. Okay, so for foundation, I am using Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion. Okay, so now we are moving on to brows. We are using the brow bar. So now we have brows on, and this look is going to be relatively simple because I'm trying out this palette for the first time. I'm not doing a first impressions because it's kind of pointless because, yeah, look at that. Not challenging at all. So this is what we're working with, and I have a lip by them too that I'm using, so I'm going to try to coordinate all that together. So the first color I'm going to go in with here is this beige right here. It's called beige. So. Okay, so from here, I actually think I want to go and use a row. And I was debating, I was going to use this, but I think I'm going to use this row right here. So the first color I am going to go in with is mauve. Okay, so now I'm going to go into this rose color and go kind of the bottom edges and the top edges and just kind of buff and blend it all out. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this last color here. This is Lavender Metal. And I'm just going to use that on the lid. Okay, so now I'm going to go under the eyes, and I'm just going to use this rose color and then this lavender color. Okay, so that is it for the eyeshadow. I'm going to put this aside and give you my thoughts on that later, because that is new to me, so keep on going. Okay, so I think I'm going to take this glitter and put it just on the inner corners, because I really don't want it all over the lid, but I would like just a little extra glitter. This glitter is kind of a copper color that I got in my Glitz Glam box. I think it was back in October. And I do have this glitter glue from OMFG that I'm going to use as well. Okay, so that is it on the glitter. That is literally all the glitter I'm going to use with this look. I know, shocking. So I am going to do eyeliner. I'm using Tardiest because they have both the liquid and the crayon eyeliner in one, and I'm going to start off with the crayon. We got eyeliner done. Now we are moving on to mascara. For mascara, we are using Marc Jacobs. Alright, so we got our eyes done. We are moving on to giving the face a little dimension, and that will be done with Gigi Gorgeous, and I will go ahead and do that. Okay, so now we are moving on to highlight. I thought I had a small brush for this somewhere. Okay, I can't find the small brush that I was going to use, but I'm going to use this one anyways. I am going to use Hank and Henry highlight. This one is Nightlight, and this one is Glow Bandit. I'm going to use this one first to kind of give it a dewy look, and then I'm just going to highlight certain points of my face with this one. Okay, we are moving on to our blush. I am using Lovecraft Beauty, and that is because these colors are perfect for it. And I think I'm gonna go with these two today. Okay, so I like to give my face kind of an airbrush look, so I always use my setting powder last, and that is what I'm doing now. Oh yeah, and I am using Everyday Vacay from Seat London because I love the coconut smell. Okay, so there was a lip that I got from this brand too. What is this brand called again? Complex Culture. So I'm going to try the lip. This is, what was it called? Espresso, and this is a cream, a lip cream. Okay, I really love that soft color, but this is very different than anything I've used. It's very buttery, like a balm almost, but it's not. Anyways, let's go ahead and set the face. I'm of course using 2 setting sprays as always. My ColourPop Pretty Fresh and Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. Alright, so there is my basic everyday look here, and let's talk about the new items since this is the first time I'm using this brand at all. So this palette itself actually blended pretty nicely. Again, this is a very natural palette. This is a good everyday palette. If you're not really into exploring colors, you're gonna love this. If you're really into color, maybe not so much, but I absolutely love it. I think the formula is great. I have no complaints about it. I think it blended really nicely. And this lip color, I kind of really love this because it's not heavy, it doesn't feel cakey. My lips feel more conditioned, so that is good. Anyways, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts of this look down below. And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.